Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to have 7 minutes about the best 7 abs workout home exercise. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Having a six-pack flat belly is not a dream, and it will come true, although it is not simple. Regular exercise and a healthy and principled diet are the only way to put you on the path to making a six-pack belly. So, do not be deceived by advertising. You need to have a specific abdominal workout plan to build a six-pack. Your exercise program should include a variety of bodybuilding exercises and target different muscles of the abdomen, obliques, and lower abdomen. Your abdominal muscles also need protein, just like any other muscle. In this video, we are going to be sharing with you 7 of the best exercises to build up your six-pack as soon as possible. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 7. Pike to Superman. Push up while your toes are on the ball. Fold your hips and roll the ball towards you. Then, your torso will be vertical. Roll the ball back so that your body will straighten again and pull your spine. Then, roll the ball to the top of your legs so that your body is straight in a line, that your arms are stretched over your head but still on the ground. You have to look like Superman when he flies down. All of these steps involve a round of movement. With the help of your large back muscles, stretch yourself to return to the push-up position and start the next round. This exercise is one of the best abdominal pack exercises and one of the hardest. Number 6. Bicycle crunch. This exercise starts by lying down on the floor. Your lower back should press the mat, but your shoulders should be raised about 2 inches. Place your hands on the back of your ears, lift one of your legs and bend your knee until it touches the opposite elbow. If you can't touch your knee with your elbow, just twist your core, cause this workout aims at your external oblique and your rectus abdominis. Be careful about pushing your neck. You must try to control the movement with your abs, not your neck. Keep on changing sides until you do 20 reps on each side. Number 5. Single leg bridge. If you ask yourself how you can do this excellent exercise, be patient for a moment, and we'll tell you right now. You should start off laying down on the floor, bend your knees, put your arms by your sides, lift your hip as high as you can, and then raise one of your legs until it has a 90-degree angle with the floor, and now, press the hip up and down. Do this exercise for 45 seconds. Number 4. Rollover. This exercise is one of the best compound movements. Several muscle groups will be working together during the motion, leading you to burn more calories and work on muscle growth. Rollover primarily targets your core muscle and gives your back and your hamstring a good stretch. You should lie on your back doing this exercise, put your hand along your side, palm down to the floor. Breathe and lift your legs together, point your toes, reach your leg up and over your head. If you want to modify the movement, you can reach your legs everywhere. Just push your limits, challenge yourself, not hurt yourself. You should repeat the exercise at least 7 times. Keep in mind your shoulders should keep your body weight, not your neck. Relax your neck while the legs are over your head. Number 3. Russian twist. To do this fantastic workout, you should lie down on the floor, bend your knees 90 degrees, keep your feet close to each other, and raise them a little bit. There is no need to make a big distance between your heels and the ground. Just keep them up. Lean your back slightly, Extend your arms, keep the weight in your hands, twist your torso toward the right side until your hands touch the ground, turn to the left side, and make the exact motion. Hold the movement for at least 1 second when touching the ground, and then change the side. If you want to modify the exercise, you can put the heels on the floor. Do the exercise 20 times on both sides. Number 2. Side plank leg lift. We want to suggest a practical exercise that uses group muscles to work together and engages core muscles. As it seems, you should get into a side plank position. You can place your palm on the floor with a slight bend in the elbow or place the elbow on the floor. Both are proper, but you can try it with the palm on the floor if you want to add intensity to your exercise. Now abduct your leg up toward the ceiling. Try to keep your body straight to avoid damage to the spine. Do 15 or 20 lifts for each leg. Number 1. Scissors. This exercise primarily works on your core, but it also engages your legs, glute, and back. To do this exercise, lay down on the floor. You can put your hands at your sides, but if you want to add more support to your back, you can place your hands underneath your tailbone. Then extend your legs, and move them up and down. Your left leg should be down when your right leg is up, just like a scissor. You can do it differently that works more on your inner thigh. When you lift your leg, instead of going up and down, twist them in and out. This would also be a great exercise. Make sure you have a slight bend in your knees to keep your back from extra pressure. Do not forget to do a cool down stretch for 4 to 5 minutes. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.